What's something people don't know about zucchini? It's not just for salads, it makes amazing noodles too. Let's dive in. First things first, grab a couple of fresh zucchinis and a spiralizer. If you don't have one, no worries. A simple vegetable peeler will do the trick. Now, turn those zucchinis into gorgeous green noodles. Next, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Toss in your zucchini noodles and saute for about 2-3 minutes. You want them tender but still with a bit of crunch. While that's cooking, let's talk sauce. Grab your favorite marinara, store-bought or homemade. It's up to you. Heat it up in a separate pot until it's nice and warm. Alright, noodles and sauce are ready. Combine them in a bowl, making sure to coat those noodles well. Sprinkle some grated parmesan or nutritional yeast on top if you're keeping it vegan. And there you have it. A healthy, tasty meal in no time. Perfect for lunch, dinner, or even a fancy snack. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Happy cooking!